Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance in 2025. Now, since PayPal doesn't connect directly to Binance, we are going to use some of the simple and the safest workaround. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our first method, you need to simply launch your PayPal application and make sure that your account has a balance or it has the bank card linked so that you could use it to make the payment. So this balance will be the source for your Binance funds. Now, because Binance doesn't accept the PayPal directly, you can just simply use the P2P marketplace inside Binance or a third party exchange that accepts PayPal. So here, in order to access the P2P option, you need to launch your Binance application, then tap on the more option here on the home page. Now you can use the search bar and you can search for P2P. Once you are able to find the P2P option, you need to come over here. Then you need to simply select the payment method, and in the payment method, you need to scroll down, or you can also use the search bar in order to search for PayPal. So once you have done that, you need to simply confirm it. Now it is going to show you all of the merchants that actually uses PayPal as the payment method. So you can tap on any one of these. So you can tap on the option of sell. After that, you can sell your USDT over here. You can also buy USDT and make the payment with the help of your PayPal account. So let's say I want to buy USDT from this person. So after tapping on the buy option right next to their profile, you need to enter the amount of USD that you want to buy. After that, instead of the bank transfer option, you need to simply select the PayPal option, then follow further on-screen instructions in order to make this payment and get the money in your Binance account. After that, you can just get the money in your Binance wallet, and you can just simply use PayPal in order to make this transaction. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.